guys! This is Hannah Pabilonia at today ay gagawa tayo ng shrimp with asparagus. Let's go cooking! We will need shrimp, asparagus, chili pepper, minced garlic and minced ginger, soy sauce, sugar, lemon juice, salt, and oil for cooking. First, heat oil in a frying pan. When the pan is already hot, add the shrimp, the chili pepper, and the salt. Then cook the shrimp until it becomes pink. Then remove the shrimp from the pan. On the pan, add the asparagus. Add the ginger and garlic. Then add the sugar. Then stir fry until the asparagus is already cooked. When the asparagus is already cooked, return the shrimp, then add the soy sauce, then stir, then add the lemon juice, stir, and it's ready to serve. Here's our finished product, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button for more videos. Thank you for watching.